If you're wondering how you can install apps on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus, so in this video I will show you how to do that. Also, I will show you how to install apps without entering the password of your Apple ID each time. So let's get started. First of all, just open the App Store and you can tap on the search icon over here and you can search the name of the app. For an example, I will install the Instagram app. Just search Instagram. And from here, just tap on Get. Then enter the password of your Apple ID. And after you enter the password of your Apple ID, just tap on Done. And tap on Install. And once you do that, you will install the selected app on your iPhone. Now, if you want to install apps on your iPhone, but if you do not want to enter the password of your Apple ID each time, and if you want to disable this feature, first of all, you will need the password of the parental controls on your iPhone. After you get the password of the parental controls, then go to your home screen and open Settings. In Settings, just tap on Screen Time, then tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then tap on iTunes and App Store Purchases, and under the Required Password section, instead of Always, just select Do Not Require. And after you do that, you will disable the password in the App Store on your iPhone. Now let's install another app. For an example, let's install the Snapchat app. Just tap on Snapchat and tap on Get. And as you can see, it did not ask us to enter the password of our Apple ID to install this app. Just like that. And this is how you can install apps on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.